glitter. And we have some more glitter. And we have some more glue. And we have some
Bottles.
more accessories.
Hot
We have
water.
Food coloring dye.
And different color Orbeez. We have pink, clear, blue, yellow, and orange. Let's get started!
So we're going to
Take the
stickers off the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to put my water into my cup. My sister's going to help me because it's going to be a lot of water. And it's hot water. Yes. Yeah.
That's good.
Now we're going to put the glue inside the bottle.
Yes. Okay. Let me pour it.
I got you, fam!
So I'm going to pour it into the bottle. So how much do we need? Just one spoon.
You're gonna need mostly all of that.
One spoon. It looks like ice down there.
Mm-hmm.
Just pour the whole thing. You can do it. The piece of hair. Ooh. Ooh la la, copia.
What did you say?
This is going to take minutes and minutes.
Hours and hours and hours.
A few moments later.
I'm tired of waiting. Can you just
So
give
we
me
can move on whenever y'all ready.
I want to move on now.
Okay.
Y'all remember what the next step is?
Yes, we're supposed to pour glitter. Now we're going to be putting glitter in the bottle. Hey, I can't wait to see it has
All this is glitter?
Put as much as you want. You're gonna need a lot.
Show the camera.
Purple.
We use blue, now we're using purple. Half of gold.
It's dropping down. This is so fun.
I would like for you guys to do it with us.
Follow us on TikTok.
There you go. We got the mini ones. We can use these.
I want to use the Halloween. Okay, now we're gonna do arts and crafts. I love arts and crafts.
Look at it all just dropping down to the bottom.
Okay. My color. Okay, now you can just put your color. Now I'm gonna pour this color to match with the other color. Not the whole thing. Okay, that'll be it. That's enough. Okay. Lots of glitter. We need lots of glitter. Lots of glitter.
Some more gold glitter because I couldn't use all the gold glitter. So we're gonna add some more.
The last color I would like to use is this, Okay, so guys, it is like really good. It's really fun.
Guys, to try it with us, I would like for you guys to do it with us. Fun
Please just do it with us. Like we want to have
Fun
some
times and like do it with us.
Like you really need to. It's like really fun.
These are all the ingredients that you need. It's on the table what you need. This is to glue the cap shut, so when we like do it up and down,
Oh,
it won't
guys.
open and spill everywhere.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Just do on the table.
Ew, it's falling.
Come back to glitter.
Oh, look how much glitter.
I want to use cold glitter. We should have something. Now I'm gonna be putting the purple food coloring in.
Ooh, let's put this first.
And glue the top shut.
Look what it did, guys.
It looks so pretty.
Let's shake it up and see what it is.
Don't shake it up yet.
Okay, so how are we going to do that? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared for you, sister. You did it more than one time.
Yeah, you need a lot so it'll stay closed.
No opening here.
Put a little bit around the neck of the bottle too. The bottom, like
Right
yeah,
here.
The bottom.
Yeah. Good.
That's it?
Now we're going to be making our Orby sensory. First color is this color, blue.
Can I put one?
Yeah, you can put one. We each get two, and then the extra is extra.
Ah!
Yeah, you're losing them.
Yeah, hot too.
I lost them. They're rolling away. Some of them are stuck. They're falling into the water.
Lemon and that water.
Pink is next. Pink is next. And then it's this color. Like that. You're losing all of them. All of them are falling.
Ah!
Get him, get him, get him.
Ugh! Okay, I think I'll just.
Okay, this is better.
Yeah, already things everywhere.
Okay. Okay, next.
Now we're gonna put clear in there.
We just started with all the other colors.
We started with easy. That one was easy. That one didn't spill. No mess, no mess, no mess, no mess. Hopefully no mess, no mess, no mess. Hopefully no mess, no
Why
mess.
don't you use hot water?
That's good.
Okay, now it's this one, I think.
Yep, that one, and then last one is
Okay, you cut.
next color. Any color. No matter what color. Yellow, orange. Shine no miss, no miss. Shine no miss, no miss. Whoa, shine no miss, no miss. Shine no miss, no miss.
That is it.
Put the rest, KK, put the rest.
Okay. Shine no miss, no miss. Shine no miss, no miss. Shine no miss, no miss.
Put the whole thing.
That's what I'm trying to do. That's all of it.
Very good.
Shine no miss, no miss. Shine no miss, no
Now what's next?
the water.
Okay, so Bert, sit down.
How we're gonna do this? Now I'm gonna pour water.
Oh,
Oh,
yes,
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 yes.
yes. Let's get the water. Let's get the water. Keep on going. 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 Keep
That's
on
enough.
going.
Now what's next step?
To glue the top shut.
Good.
Let's glue the bottom.
Now for the glue the bottom.
Make sure you get the neck too.
All of it. It's gonna be gluified.
And it won't come off. Guys, so just so you know, this glue dries fast. It just like dry in 1 minute and 3 minutes. So we're just going to go around and just glue it. Don't forget the neck right here.
Okay. Now this part.
Neck part.
That's getting a glue out.
Okay, now do it.
Squeeze it.
All right, hurry up and put the top on it.
Get the top, get the top, get the top, hurry. It's gonna dry fast.
This is the finished product. Look how pretty it looks.
Make sure you guys like,
Comment
and
subscribe
and
turn the notification bell.
Bye.
Peace out.